All right, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're actually online, and we're going to cover both Android and iPhone since the menus are a little different. On Android, go into WhatsApp, tap those three dots, and go to Settings. From there, go to Privacy, and here you have a menu for Last Seen and Online. First, you can choose who sees your last seen status. Everyone, just your contacts, contacts except a specific person, or nobody at all. And under that, there's a separate setting for who can see when you're currently online. You can set it to either everyone or have it set to the same setting from the last seen option above. Worth noting, this is a two-way street. When you set this to nobody, you also won't be able to see other people's last seen or online status. It goes both ways. Also, even with this set to nobody, you might still be sending read receipts. Go back to the privacy menu and there's a toggle for read receipts. Turn that off and people won't see when you've read their messages except in group chats. That toggle only hides it in one-on-one conversations. Group chats will still show your read status regardless. If you're on an iPhone, similar settings, just laid out a bit differently. Open WhatsApp and you'll go to the Profile tab on the bottom right. Then scroll down to Privacy and you'll find the same last seen and online setting there, along with read receipts right there in the same menu. Same steps, just a slightly different layout. And that is how you appear offline on WhatsApp. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.